This morning we're going to do a cold start on a 1999 Ford F-250. She has 512,000 miles on it, I think it is. When we get in there, I'll show you. It is cold this morning. It is 17 below zero. And it hasn't been plugged in. So we'll see what happens. Might be a little iffy. $513. I'll have to go cycle those glue plugs a couple times since she's so cold. Come on, old girl. Oh. Ooh. A little chilly. But I think she'll go. Come on. There he goes. It's in pretty good shape for the miles and year on it. She's a plow truck, so she gets work pretty good. Got a little bit of rust, but not too bad. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.